How to fix TikTok For You page not loading. So hi guys, today I'm going to talk about how to fix TikTok For You page not loading. So to get your TikTok For You page loading again, you can start by clearing your app cache. So open your TikTok app. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right and then tap the three-line menu at the top right corner. Then go to settings and privacy. Now scroll down and then tap free up space under cache and cellular data section. Now tap clear next to the cache. Now if the issue persists, you can try clearing the app data, but make sure that your unsaved drafts are backed up first, as this will lock you out. Now the next thing what you can do is check your internet connection. Just simply toggle between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data to isolate the problem. Or you can just turn on your airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it off to reset your network. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.